Convert 6 and 204 thousandths to a fraction in simplest form. All right, well, when you write out 6 and 204 thousandths, the 6 is going to live out front like it normally would. 204 thousandths is going to be exactly what it sounds like as a fraction, 204 thousandths. Now you take a look at what we have and you realize, oh, both of these are even numbers, which means they're both divisible by 2. So let's divide the fraction part by 2. 204 divided by 2 is 102. 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. And the 6 is still going to live out in front. But then you take one more look at that fraction and say, wait a minute, those are both still even. So I can divide both of those by 2 again. So that's what I'm going to do. 102 divided by 2 is 51. 500 divided by 2 is 250. That 6 lives out in front. You can't simplify 51 and 250, so this fraction is done. So, at the end of the day, we started out with 6 and 204 thousandths and ended up with the fraction 6 and 51 250ths. And that's your guy.